have one bag, one personal item for children with two carry-on items. You can't have more than two. That personal item may be another bag. It could be a purse, fanny pack, satchel, pet carrier, crossbody bag, pillow, or blanket. So if you have any one of those items that are listed and a backpack and a roller bag, that's not going to work. You're going to have to consolidate down to two. If you are unable to consolidate down to two, please hear us. Please finish your drink or throw it away. We should be boarding here in just about 3 minutes.